Today's recipe is Pollo Loco chicken. Okay, we're going to make our marinade for our chicken. So we're going to combine some orange juice, some lime juice, some olive oil, some cumin, garlic, some paprika, chili powder, oregano, some pepper, and some salt. And we're just going to whisk this all together. Now this is a great marinade for chicken. You can do this for this recipe or for a salad. Would be great. I have 2 chicken breasts here that I've butterflied, and I'm going to add that to a bag, a large Ziploc bag, and I'm going to pour the marinade on top. You could have just added the chicken to the marinade and in the bowl and place that in the refrigerator as well. I'm just going to massage it gently to make sure that the chicken is all covered. Take out the air, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator up to 8 hours, 1 to 8 hours. When we're ready to cook it, we're going to place it in our air fryer that I've preheated to 400 degrees. I've sprayed the inside, and then we'll just place our chicken inside. And while this is cooking, we can make our rice as well. So we're just going to combine our white rice and our chicken stock. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Just stir it occasionally so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom while we're waiting for this to come to a boil. Now with this recipe, you can add so many different things to it when it's finished, just to customize it yourself. Now that it's come to a boil, we are going to put the lid on top. We're going to lower the temperature. We're going to let it simmer for around 15 minutes or until the rice is tender and the water or stock is absorbed. So now all the water stock is absorbed. We're going to add in our heavy cream. And we'll add in our sour cream. This is what makes it very creamy. Our garlic powder and our onion powder. We'll stir that up and we'll just cook this until it gets creamy, which doesn't take very long at all, maybe 2 minutes. And it's a very creamy rice. And then we'll just assemble our bowl. So we'll take out our chicken. It's cooked for around 16 minutes or so. Internal temperature of 165. Chop up some cilantro. You can use as little or as much as you like. We'll slice our chicken that will go on top of our rice. You could grill this chicken as well if you like. I just find the air fryer is just more convenient. And then we'll assemble our bowl. So we'll add our creamy rice. This recipe makes enough for 4 people. And then we'll put our sides that you choose. I chose some corn and some beans. But you can customize this any way that you feel. I added some shredded carrots. Then we'll add our chicken. And top it off with some fresh cilantro. Enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.